Are you ready to take your professional career to the next level? Are you interested in becoming a certified independent director and adding another feather to your cap? Many professionals are unaware of the opportunities available to them as an independent director. They may not know about the statutory position and guaranteed remuneration of independent directors in India, or they may not realize that India has one of the largest untapped pool of professionals who could become independent directors of highly reputable companies. At the Directors Institute, we seek to democratize this opportunity and provide with the chance to become a certified independent director. This could lead to the consequential enhancement of your career. Let you step into the boardroom if you haven't already. Improve your board effectiveness if you are already an experienced board member and it doesn't interfere your current role. So, make the decision to change your life and attend our upcoming webinar to see what your journey as independent director will look like. Register now by clicking the link below and take the next step in your professional career. Do not miss out this exciting opportunity to become a part of the world of corporate governance as a certified independent director with the Directors Institute.